Hey Craig, say cheese. Just kidding, it's a video. I started this bike trip off by breaking into Craig's house and drinking his beer while hanging out with his dog. He did join in with us eventually. I didn't record in the rain on the way up, but you can imagine what that would have done to the sketchy gravel road on the way into my cousin's cottage.
I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from.
It was worth it though. Just check out how amazing this location is.
Was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours.
Cottage life is nice and all, but we were up in Algonquin for a completely different reason. We did take a break here and there, dropped in for a beer, stopped in Quebec for some reason, and of course I had to get my drone out just for fun.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Unlike Jeff and I, Craig didn't seem all that interested in my drone. After a long day of riding, we made our way back to the cottage via the sketchy gravel road again. This is also where the video gets a little bit more interesting. No, you gotta do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. That's a dog collar.
That's the highest I've ever done on my dog.
Okay, do it.
I am.
It's not doing anything.
It's not doing anything.
I felt it briefly, but it wasn't.
Hold on. Yep.
That's
You
fine.
fill that, and then that's the shot.
There's no shock.
That's 8.
There's no shock. That didn't.
You gotta go up to 12.
Do it
Okay,
again.
alright, put it on your neck.
Put on your neck.
Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
good.
I would never do that to a dog. I might do it to you.
Yeah.
I would never do that to my dog. Ever. You're just a guest. I don't care. My dogs, I love my dogs. You're a nice guy, but I would never.
Yeah,
do that
that's
to my dog.
debatable too. Thank you, Jeff. That's going on YouTube. Recording this now so that you evidence that I am refusing to take part in this experiment. If you were to put that on me, that is assault. That is a criminal offense. You will not touch me with that. You want to do that weird to yourself? That's between you and your dominatrix in Amsterdam.
This is 6, and this is Buzz, vibrate,
Yeah.
and then this is Shock. And that's
Barely makes me.
that's the best of.
Hey, you know what? You know what I don't give a about? Your opinion on this right now.
But like 12, when you put that,
Okay,
put
we'll
it
give
up-
it to 12.
Put it up
Okay.
to 12 again.
No.
Like
No,
it actually,
no.
It actually makes my knees go
That's
weak.
8. That's 8.
Put it up to 12. Put it up to 12.
I am not stopping recording until I go back to my room and lock that door.
Give it to Will.
No.
8 is good.
8 is good. Okay.
Give it to Will. Give it to Will. No. No. You're not giving nothing to Will. No, you're not. No. No. That's all right. Back on the road again the next day, we made the obligatory run up through Algonquin Park with our traditional stop at the Lake of Two Rivers, which is a beautiful lake right off the highway, easy access. At this point, Craig and I swapped rides just for the fun of it, and Jeff added some interesting color commentary by talking to himself.
He's got a signal on it. Craig's trying to tell him. Like a natural out there, those two. Looks quite normal.
That's a freaking great view, eh?